Hello there, people. I hope you are doing well. Greetings from Portugal. Nuno here once again. Guys, for the majority of my subscribers that are used to see my Apple related videos, iPhones, iPads, Mac, today is a completely different video. And why? I'm making a sequence of videos regarding a restoration of a Range Rover Classic. This is the third video in a row, and it's still a work in progress. Now, talking to you guys that are following that restoration, I started this, or if you are seeing this for the first time, I started this project in December 2017, and we are on August 2018. Now, there are still many things to do. There are more things that came out of the car that came in, and there are still some parts missing. And for you guys that are enthusiasts and perhaps could have some spare parts to sell, okay, go ahead and put in the comments or leave me a private message. But okay, now third video, and more to come. Of course, the work is still in progress, and I'll show you outside. You can check the first video for the inside, the second video on what I wanted to do. This is the third, the things that I already made. Now, expect more, of course. So without further rambling, and let's go to see the car, and that's it. Okay, let's go then. Okay, guys, sorry about the noise. I'm recording with a good old iPhone, so and the microphone is from the phone also. So this is my car. Okay, so what are the changes that I made? First, I recover the wheels, restore the wheels, original paint and coat. So wheel caps over there, also the front mud flaps that weren't present on the beginning. I took the steps over here. Okay, they are not on, I have that on storage. I want to keep that. So more, I had a huge dent here. Okay, it was the lady that had it, you know, when, well, she made lots and lots of mistakes when she was reversing. So this is, fortunately, this is not aluminum, this is steel, so it was no problem to restore. It has you can see on the second video, I will leave on the final cards, and you can see. Again, she had her husband put parking sensors, so this was, you know, with a big hole over here, so I had to buy this. The holes here were repaired for the parking sensors. I don't need parking sensors. And of course I have to buy these, but this is still available on the market. Now, more things. The car, you know, I love this design. It's perfect. It's really perfect. Now, regarding on another thing that I changed, if you see on the second video, and sorry about the blur on the license plate, privacy, I preserve my privacy, guys. So I removed the front grille, the original front grille, but now I'm here with, you know, I cannot find, I already have that, you know, on specialists. When they find this, they will call me. But you guys that probably could have these crash cams, okay, because I had the grille, so they are cut from factory, and I need, you know, the complete crash can. Okay, this is rubber, you know, this is rubber, but there are, you know, if you can find, if you have the originals, you can put me on the comments and I will buy you. Okay, if you are in Europe, because in the States will be, or overseas it will be difficult, but we can try. There are some companies that make, you know, on fiberglass, or, you know, but I want the original one. So if you have that, go ahead and put on the comment, or leave me a private message on Twitter, whatever, okay? And we can arrange something. Now, things that changed. I bought new fog lamps, not fog lamps, sorry, auxiliary lamps. These are not fog lamps. They only light up when I turn on the high beams. Okay, they come like that from factory. They only work with the high beams. Okay, so auxiliary lamps, new. Also new the the, how do you say this? The low beams and I don't read, my god, my English, what the heck. So I bought these. These are not Land Rover, these are third-party ones. I have the originals, but they were very faded and dark. Not, I didn't like that, but I have the originals. They are extremely hard to find, so I still have them, because if I want to sell the car, and these cars are increasing in value, I still have that part. So guys, what have I done? I removed the front grille, I put new lights, new auxiliary lamps, restored the wheels, mud flaps, removed the side guards, restored the bumps that the lady had to buy that lamp. That is original Land Rover. The backlight, that's original Land Rover. Now there are things still to arrange. I have, of course, the original Land Rover Classic symbol. It is stored. It is in storage, and also I was fortunate enough to find the original letters, because these are the originals, but they are peeling. Okay, so I found this and I have that on storage, because I don't want to put the new ones. Okay, I want to keep this car as it is, okay, as it came out of the factory. So I prefer now to have this peeling on the letters, on the lettering, but I have new ones if I want to change. Now guys, this is it. This is the car. I enjoy it every day. Not every day, because, well, I run this car, I don't know, one day every 2 weeks, in order to keep everything running well. And guys, regarding on the engine, I changed the timing belt, I changed all the fluids, I changed the fluids on the differential, gearbox, transfer box, so I made all that. And guys, regarding what I need to do yet, there are some things that need to be repaired over here, on the door, over there, as you can see, over here. I don't know if you can see it, but this was someone with their mirror. I don't know, something went wrong here. So, but this is, it has to be a specialist, because this is aluminium. Now inside there are some parts that I need, and if you have them in this color, I know I can restore this. Everything, I don't have anything missing, but I know I can restore this. But they are broken, and this is a common issue on these kind of cars. When people come out, they hit with the foot here, and it is broken. And also the plastics on the Range Rover, they are not good at all. Inside, I have to show you this on the first videos, but everything, it's nice. I didn't make anything here. The eyeliner, it needs some work, but now it's not sagging. I will keep this. And I have the original radio, but I like to listen to my music, Bluetooth audio streaming. I know it's not original, but for convenience and answering calls, I prefer now to use this, but I have the original one in storage also. Now regarding the symbol, I have it here. I have the TDI, and also this is not, the TDI is not original, but the symbol Range Rover Classic, it's there. And guys, this is it. Let me go overall panorama of the car, and this is it. So, fourth video will be coming. There are still lots of things to do. You know, I'm a perfectionist, but for now, this is what I needed in the car for now. And when I have time and patience, I will, you know, continue the project. For now, it is nice for me. Go ahead, put on the comments if you find that, you know, that parts, those parts that I mentioned. Go ahead and leave me a comment, and we'll be able to do business. Okay, so see you on the next one. Bye bye.